Welcome back to the channel, everybody.
Yeah, welcome back to the channel. It is a early, chilly morning here in Las Vegas, and we're gonna check out the Siegfried and Roy Park.
Yeah, it's the closest park to the Strip, and so come get lost with us today.
Let's go. Oh, I'm so glad you guys made it. Make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and make sure you ring that notification bell because when we hit 1,000 subscribers, we're still going to be dropping off the Strat. And I can't wait to take you guys with us. So let's go.
Siegfried and Roy Park is located right next to McCarran Airport, and it's only minutes from the Strip. The park is rather large, but we did want to give a notice that Nacy did feel uncomfortable there. There was probably about 50 to 60 homeless people throughout the park. We try not to show them in the video to protect their privacy, but you may see some throughout the park. So here again is where the play areas connect to the parking lot, and you'll see there's some tables over here too in case you wanted to have a party. There's a few more tables looped together in this area. Alright, so here's the gist of the park from the closest side to the airport. Kind of looking around in the distance there's the playground, and that's a green open space which has been
There's like one green grassy hill and the rest has not.
And it's right next to a residential community. The residential community seems nice from here, but there definitely are a lot of homeless people that will show you throughout the park.
Alright, so the park is really dog friendly in the sense that it's got poop bags. Always a necessity. Make sure you clean up after your dogs. Over there is the
It actually does. It literally wraps. This is the length of it around this corner.
Interesting.
It's something that
Over there is the air traffic control for the airport, as you can hear as the planes take off around us. And there's the main parking structure. And through those trees over there is Trump Hotel, so we're like starting to, or no, that's the Mandalay, never mind. Their color schemes are the same, but that's the Mandalay over there. So there's the Strip. And again, like we said, the neighborhood is over here to our right. So this park extends out pretty far. It goes down a little bit further this way and then cuts to the right.
But you'll see most of the park beyond the green space that we're on is pretty much this rock. It's kind of like the actual landscape here. It's more like rock and cactus than it is anything you can play on. There are some trails and stuff, but not so much green space.
And there goes an airplane.
Stretching plane.
What is this? If you know, leave us in the comment below. I'm pretty sure it's some type of exercise equipment.
But all the stickers are gone, so it's kind of hard to tell.
Yeah, it just says that you gotta be a certain height and weight. And it's from Scent Fitness. So there's a bunch of these kind of sprinkled. Let us know in the comments below. Have you guys ever been to this park before? If you have, we're curious to know.
That's different from a lot of the parks we go to.
Let's see if we can cut across the other side. Let's do it. The bathrooms on this end of the park, before you get down to the end before it turns and cuts right. Except for the entrance. I think the entrance said it. see there's another little dirt.
Yeah. So if you wanted to walk off concrete, if you wanted to walk on some actual dirt, this is the part that might have that. I'm pretty sure that's the parking structure for the airport, isn't it?
Yes. I don't know how unshaky this footage is going to be, but taking you guys along for a ride. Here's some more of the fitness equipment. At least
Yeah,
it looks like it.
I'm pretty sure what you're supposed to do with these ones, but the other one's still a little weird what that one was for.
This is like a stair stepper.
Yep.
What's the circle part of it though?
You climb it too, I imagine.
Interesting. Stickers are gone.
Yeah, stick the wrong one. I imagine you like climb it like this, with this. That would be my guess.
You gotta go take his big dog out. We disturbed the doggo. Pretty much claim that territory.
So you're supposed to be that way here.
Yep. I need to invest in a pair of gloves. I did not realize that the weather in Vegas could get this cold. Found some more exercise equipment. I think this is where like crunches.
Yeah.
You can lock your feet in here, lay there. I think. Not 100%, but what do you think? Pavement or dirt? Pavement or dirt? Forge your own path, like on the Star Cruiser. It's all just a forest. You don't choose your own path.
So there's the main area that we're walking back towards. Alright, so here is the playground. As you can see, it's a decent sized space. This is the only one though in the entire park, so this is where most of the little kids will go. You see the parking lot's right there, the main parking lot, though there is street parking throughout, so if you come to the parking lot, you are the closest to the kids' playgrounds. And then you'll see in the distance, and we'll go over there in a sec, there's some tennis courts too here. So, and a nice road right around, a nice one on both sides. So they do have some horseshoe courts, let's say, right by the tennis courts. And here are the tennis courts. You'll see that we cannot get in because they are chained up. So if you come here to play tennis, I don't think that's really an option right now. It says, so here is the tennis courts. There are two of them. If you actually keep going around, apparently the side ones are locked, but the two main ones are open.
Yes.
So there's some opportunity to play tennis if you want to play tennis. And you'll see too, there's some seats in the middle. So if you want to sit there, and in the distance, that is airport parking. So you are literally right next to the airport here. Here we go. Derpa, derpa, derpa. So do y'all think these are for bocce ball? Because that's kind of our guesses, and that's what we've heard from some of our other videos, that it could possibly be bocce ball. We really don't know, but they have 3 of these sand pits with no sand in them, in all honesty, to you who are watching this. So they do have a few of these pavilions strewn throughout. There's probably about 10 throughout the whole park. So if you're an individual and you're looking to come to a place that doesn't have a lot of like group areas, this might be one for you, because without the group areas, you're not going to get a bunch of parties and stuff here. You're going to kind of get a single one-on-one. And then they do have some park benches and stuff strewn throughout the park. So there are some opportunities to sit and stuff and relax here. And if you wanted to, you could watch the planes take off. Walking on the path, walking on the path, walking on the path, walking on the path. Alright, so here's a cool art display at the front of the park. It kind of looks like an atomic bomb explosion. And then we'll show you in a second. You can see that the explosion kind of ripples out. So it's kind of cool.
Ripple effect.
Yes, the ripple effect. There's Nacy on the hill. Say hello, Nacy.
King of the mountain.
And you'll see this is the far side of the park, and it's right off a major road. So just know there's a lot of traffic here. It's Maryland Parkway, and there's a lot of noise too. Alright, so here's the road into the park when you're heading in from the main sort of intersection and the parking structure. Here's the roundabout towards the end of the parking lot. You'll see there's like these red kind of pavilion things, but they don't really give much shade when they overlook some of the seating areas.
Alright guys, so that's going to end our tour of the Siegfried and Roy Park here in Las Vegas.
Yeah, it's decent size, has some nice walking trails right next to the airport. So if you're looking to pick somebody up at the airport and you have to wait, because in Las Vegas there's no real places to wait other than the cell phone lot, this could be an option.
Yeah, you can get out of your car, go for a little stretch, walk around. There's not a lot of pavilions here, so I don't think there's a lot of parties that happen here. But it's a cute little park, I have to say. It's definitely a cute little park.
Yeah, and if you want to see Low Mountain, which is kind of out in the more rural area of Las Vegas, check out our links up above. And we've done 2 Lone Mountain parks too to check out. So if you want more of the mountains and sort of outside of city feel, that could be an option. But this is the closest park to the Strip.
Yeah, so next time you guys are in the area, make sure you check it out. And we will see you guys in the next adventure.
Yeah, see you on the next one. Bye, everybody.